Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Chrystal. Today we're going to be showing you how to do deer chili. I'm just the can opener. She doesn't want to do the intro, so here we go. Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be making deer chili. You can use anything you want to. You can use elk, you can use beef, you can use any of that stuff, but you need 2 packs of Lipton's onion soup seasoning, 1 pack of Williams chili seasoning, 2 cans of regular rotel, 2 cans of chili rotel, a can of ranch style jalapeno beans, make that 2 cans, maybe 3 cans, 1 thing of hatched green chilies hot, 1 mild. You can do both hot, you can do both mild, totally up to you. Then you need 2 cans of pinto beans. And last but not least, the goodness that we call half a stick of butter.
Babe!
It's not gonna kill it.
Alright, so my husband was helping with this GoPro thing, and he failed to turn it on as I was burning the meat. So I was talking to myself for a good, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. But let me tell you what I did since we missed that video of those many minutes. So I use the venison meat, and I use this, I don't know if anyone has this, but I have a meat, I don't even know what it's called, but a meat grinder? I don't know. I got it from Pampered Chef and I love it. It's the only way I brown meat. It gets it really nice and small into small pieces. But before I started browning this meat, I put 2 tablespoons of Land O'Lakes butter. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is what it looks like. Land O'Lakes butter, the best butter ever. A packet of Lipton onion soup mix. So to repeat that, I put 2 tablespoons of Land O'Lakes butter, and got it melty. Added the venison, 2 pounds. And as it starts to brown, I add a packet of the Lipton onion soup mix. If you have a pan this large, 2 of them, you can just do this at the same time. I've done that when I'm in a hurry. Alright, that's nice and cooked. Normally, if you're cooking beef, you need to drain it in a colander, all the grease fat, but since this is such a lean meat, you don't need to do that, and I love it. Alright, so I will pour this in to the crock pot. I'm going to use the same pan and do my other 2 pounds of venison. Here we go. Round 2. Lipton onion soup mix again. Again, this is 2 more pounds of venison. Alright, now that my next 2 pounds of venison is cooked up, I will pour this in the crock pot too. Okay, now you see the 4 pounds are added. I'll turn this on low. If you're running out of time, you can always turn it on high. I will start with my jalapeno ranch style beans. And I have 2 cans, and they're each 15 ounces. I'll start off with 1 can of pinto beans for now. I rinsed them and drained them. Okay. Next is our rotel chili fixins, 2 cans. Ooh, that looks good. Before you can smell this, it smells good. Okay. This is a can of hot rotel. Well, I spilt that. Normally I cook chili when I'm drinking a glass of wine, so that normally doesn't happen. Just happened not to be. Well, guys, I actually missed an important ingredient before I put the meat in the crock pot, which is the Williams Original Chili Seasoning Mix. So normally I would add it into the pan and mix it in before I pour in the crock pot and all the different ingredients, but I didn't. So I'm gonna pour it in with the crock pot. Not a big deal. I've done this on more than one occasion. I just add it to the pot and I stir it all up and make sure I get it all stirred very well. My bad. Alright, the last can item is hatch green chilies. Great is that all the stuff is already cooked now in this crock pot, so the goal is just to get it warm, get all the seasonings all in there. So all I will do is put this on low for a few hours and then just to see if it gets hot, and when it does I'll try it and I'll keep mixing it throughout. Because this is already cooked, I don't have to worry about opening over drying it, so I'll just put the lid on and that's that.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give her the big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button below. Let's try this chili right quick. I'm gonna add a few Fritos, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of sour cream. Make sure I want to. That's scrumptious. Straight from God's green earth. Amazing. Just like every time. Once again, guys, thanks for watching.